So I haven't done anything on YouTube in a while, so I thought, why not just uh grab a plane, rotate by 90 degrees on the x-axis, and just, you know, make some eyebrows. So this is it. You can make eyelashes the same way, but uh, you know, you, it's a little bit different with eyelashes, but I thought Blender just froze. But with eyelashes, you have to like do it around the eye, something like this. So I'm just gonna do this with eyebrows right now since I've already finished the eyelashes. I'm gonna move them up and just E to extrude, S to scale. This looks pretty nice, I guess. And now just apply and duplicate, apply, shrink wrap, and just offset to 1. Snap mode to above surface. You can put it above the subdivision modifier if you want. Shade smooth. I'm actually gonna set this to this. Actually, maybe no. Maybe 5. Yeah, that's pretty good. And now the final touch to give it some detail and to make it look like it's actually attached to the body. Solidify and just tweak around that. Make sure to also apply transforms, then add a normal amount over here in the thickness. I'm just gonna set mine to this, or maybe, yeah, there we go. And to mirror it, just add a modifier and add the mirror one. Make sure it's above everything. And there you go. With eyelashes, you just have to. I think I said this already, but I don't remember. So, but with eyelashes, you do the same thing, but you have to, kind of do more, just a little more. I might make a tutorial on that, but yeah, bye.